Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of a 1953 Ford Victoria. This kit here is 125 scale from Lindberg, and this kit come out in 1997, number 72172. We're going to go ahead and get right into this one. Another one of them goofy boxes. I can't even begin to remember when I purchased this one. Let's get started right on this one though today. Hope everyone's having a great day. Here we have the body. Nice and smooth. Very nice thickness. Pretty nice looking vehicle there. Here's the back end. A little bit of detail on the trunk there, that's nice. Looks like that's where they filled it up with gasoline. I don't know that for a fact, that's just what it looks like. This little deal here has to be removed. It's got molded in windshield wipers, little vent windows. Looks like little holes for the mirrors, most likely. Very nice. Go ahead and put that one right back in the bag since it's sitting right here. Alright. One big bag of molded in white plastic here. This one looks like it's been taped together. Alright. Right off the bat we have the back of the front seat, and then looks like the front seat was here, fell off the tree right there. Not a whole lot going on there. This here's your interior tub, molded in rear seat. A little bit of stamped in carpet it looks like right there. Decent. Some little details on the back there, little handles it looks like. Here's the chassis. Medium thickness, not real heavy duty, but it's decent. Molded in wheel well for the spare tire. Fuel tank. Frame. Nice. Nice and straight. I like that. Here's the interior door panels. Both sides. Radiator. Firewall. Radiator core support. Steering gearbox it looks like. Some wheel things where the axles will go. The rear end, the front of the rear end, leaf springs, lower control arms, and a little bit of front end support there. Tiny little oil pan. Excuse me. Looks like valve covers. This must be a flathead engine. I don't know that for a fact. Here's the intake manifold, oil filler, ignition coil, carburetor, and fuel pump it looks like. A battery, air cleaner, white wheel inserts. This looks like the blower housing for the heater system. Two sides of it looks like. Some hood hinges, I think. Maybe oil pan the transmission pan for the bottom of the transmission. Yep, that's what that is. That's what that was. Here's the engine halves, front steering knuckles, inner fender wells, fender skirts. It looks like. Some wheels, very plain wheels. Yep, they're going to have hubcaps on them, that's why. So not much detail at all in there. Little distributor, master cylinder. Couple little pieces there, not really sure what those are. Some coolant hoses. Here we have maybe a visor for over the roof. Can you see it? Yeah, I think that goes over the top here. Little sun visor, suspension part, exhaust manifold, and I'm not sure what that is either. Here we have a big old 3-bladed fan, almost looks like a windmill. Some coil springs, steering wheel, fan belt and pulley system, another exhaust port, exhaust manifold, horns, car horns, 2 little bits there, I'm not really sure what those are for, exhaust pieces. Well, those are tiny, whatever they are. Number 43, we'll have to look those up in the instructions. And wheel parts. And finally the hood, which is decent looking. Minimal detail back there. Drive shaft. Continental wheel cover for your spare tire. The other half of it. Dashboard. Decent looking. Some pieces here. Looks like steering column. Boy, that's a tiny little steering column. Some shock absorbers. Tie rod and suspension links there. That's it for molded in white parts. And this is a Lindberg kit. I don't know if I mentioned that. The glass. I've got 2 side glasses with a half of a windshield, so they must connect in the middle, so there must be a little piece in the middle that connects the two. Doesn't look like it here, but that sure is what it looks like there, because there's 2 halves. It almost looks broken, but it looks like it's just 2 halves. There's another piece here. That's interesting. Huh. Well, we'll have to look that up in the instructions. Could be broken. I'm not sure. I don't know how. Here's the front grille. Some hubcaps. Decent looking hubcaps. Mirror brackets, and then the actual mirrors are here. Some trim for the sides. That's very cool. Little airplane for your hood ornament, I'm assuming. Yep. Couple little lights. Some more trim. That's really nice. I like those. Those are sharp. Alright. And we have the taillight inserts. Those are nice. Very well defined. And 4 tires with some decent tread on them. This is where your insert will go if you want to do the wheel white walls, or you can just do black walls. No branding on the tires. And then here's the instructions. I don't know if there's any decals in this kit or not. Doesn't look like it. Let's see. Oh, yep, one little thing down there. We'll get to that in a minute. Put my map folding skills to work here. Alrighty. Not a lot of information on the actual vehicle. This is all your before you begin stuff. Every effort has been made to manufacture this kit complete in every way. Well, that's nice. Alright. We have engine, air cleaner. Remember, I'm looking for part number 43. Shout out if you see it. I'm kind of curious of what those things were. Putting your interior together, instrument panel, steering shaft. Yeah, that was a small steering column. Pitman arm. Okay, that's kind of neat. Blower halves. Yep. Storage bottle. That's a neat little detail. Some little bits. Ah, look at there, guys. The windshield is one piece, so mine is obviously broken. I'll have to figure out a way to get that replaced. Horn assembly. Grill, headlights. Nothing there. Door handles are included. I don't know if I mentioned those. left and right pieces. Well, I didn't see 43. I'm sure it's in there somewhere. They give you recommendations on painting. That's kind of nice. That's what your kit will look like. Okay. That was kind of a short and quick one today, guys. I appreciate your time. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and send the word out. Oh, I'm sorry. I got in a hurry there. Let's see what kind of decals we have here. Some nice details for the speedometer, looks like. Some badging. Nebraska and Arkansas license plates. And some more badging and things like that. Nice little detailed stuff, under the hood kind of stuff. Alright, as always, I thank you so much for your time. Please be sure to check out my other videos. In the future, we're going to have some more unboxings, but also some builds and updates on what's going on around here. So, as always, have yourselves a great day and keep on modeling. See you on the next one.